Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel, Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. So today I just wanted to do a quick video because I'm sure if you're like me, you're always looking on Amazon, you're always looking on Temu at different sort of epoxy kits, different resin kits, and are they worth the money is the question I've got. So I decided to buy one. So this is a kit that I found, a 218 piece kit on Temu, and it was around about £18 with resin. So it only comes with 500 ml of resin, but I thought it's worth looking at for £18 to see what we get and see if they're worth the money. So that's what this video is about. Let's get straight to it. So this is the kit that I decided to go with. It's an epoxy resin kit. It's currently just over £18 UK on Temu, and it comes with 6.7 fluid ounces of resin. Now I've already used the resin out of this kit because what I do tend to find is it tends to be really cheap resin like these, which often isn't the best quality if I'm being honest, but these kits might still be worth it. You can use this resin to fill some larger molds like your frogs or anything like that, and mix it with some black mica powder where it doesn't actually sort of matter the quality of the resin, providing it cures. Yeah, you get an awful lot with them, and that's what I just wanted to go through. For £18, if you went to your local hobby shop or something like this, I don't think you'll be able to get half the stuff. So that's why it's still worth considering these little kits. So I'm just going to go through exactly what comes with a kit like this. So first thing that came with it was this mold, which is quite useful as an alphabet mold. You can use those for key rings, but also it's got all of these smaller little things that molds that come with it as well, which again can be quite useful for smaller projects, even UV projects. I don't quite know what that one there is supposed to be, so I might have to do that just to see what it is. But again, quite a useful mold. Alphabet letters are always useful for things like key rings as well, and it seems reasonably good quality. So that's the first thing. Now, if you were to buy that mold on its own, it's probably going to cost you £10 or $10 at least. So you've already recovered about half of the cost. Next thing that it comes with are these. Now I'm just looking at them actually, and I can't tell if they're alcohol inks or if they're pigments. And it doesn't actually say on the bottle what they are. It just says colour pigment. Now they could either be alcohol inks or they could be pigments. So I'm going to test those out later to see what they actually are. But again, you get a good variety there. You get 8 different pigments in this particular kit with some good colours. So even if they are alcohol inks, rather than the pigments, which I'm presuming they are, very useful to have. Mixing cups as well, these little tiny plastic ones that you tend to get in most of these kits. And then in the next bag, you've got pipettes, which are always useful for your smaller projects. You've got mixing sticks, a little drill, a jewellery drill, and it does come with 2 little pieces as well, 2 little drill bits. So again, they're always very useful to have. Some tweezers, some gloves, some little scoops, which are really useful for your mica powders, some drawing pins. I'm guessing that is to open these alcohol inks, and a little user manual for an epoxy resin kit. So that's those. Again, you're probably talking, what, even a pair of tweezers, probably $2 or $3. Your drill is probably another $2 or $3. You've got your pipettes, your spoons, your gloves. So that's probably another $5 worth, let's say, there in that little bag. Then what it comes with, little hooks. Again, different colours. O-rings for your jewellery. some little, I think these are keyring chains actually. So some little keyring chains, which again, quite useful. I think it's got different types of keyring chains as well. So we've got those ones there. We've got those ones there, which are more of a gold colour. We've got more of your standard keyring attachments there. Some little tassels, which I've seen people use on things like bookmarks, but also keyrings. And then some jewellery chains, which are those standard sort of nylon leather look chains. So again, that is quite a lot of hardware for one kit. And again, if you was to buy that individually, I dare say that would cost you, I don't know, an extra £10 probably at least. But the good thing is you've got it all in a kit, so you don't have to buy these big 200, 300 set pieces. And you've got enough there to keep you busy for a little while. So again, really good. And then what you get on top of that is a pair of pliers, always useful for jewellery making. But then you also get these. So just going to open these up. So you've got a pack there of 12 different glitters. Now let's say you went to a hobby store or a hobby shop or something like that. These are going to probably cost you at least £1 each. So you've got 12 quid's worth just in that box. And again, that can last you a long time in smaller pieces. Different colours, different variety. Again, come in these little round tubs, which are quite useful to store them in rather than in the boxes. I'll just get them out so you can have a look. Little pots like that, so you can just use the tweezers that come with the set and just put whatever you want into your pieces. So again, really, really useful. And this is, I think it's a 218 piece set altogether. So you get those. You get this little set of different foils, which are really useful for putting in the centers of your coasters or into key rings, whatever you want to do with them. And again, you've got a set of 12 there. And then you've got these little plastic fun pieces that come with the kit as well. And again, it's 12 different ones. And actually, just using those and some UV resin and this particular mold, what they sent, you can make easily 20, 30 key rings, I would say. So for $18 or £18 in the UK, are they worth it? Personally, I never rate the epoxy in these kits, so that's the first thing I'll say. If you're doing a big project or something like that, you want a better quality of epoxy. But if you're just doing small projects like key rings or some small bracelets and you're just getting into it, you will not be able to buy all of these accessories for less money than the full kit. So in my mind, I think they're worth buying just for the accessories, because again, if you go to a hobby shop, something like that is probably going to cost you anywhere between $10 to $20 on its own, and you're getting the whole kit for that. So I think they're well worth it. Buy a few, see which ones work for you, make some pieces, and you know what, if you sell 1 or 2 pieces, it's paid for the whole kit. And the biggest thing is the molds. So we all know molds aren't cheap, and this is actually quite a good quality mold. So I'm looking forward to testing this out on a few projects, seeing what I can come up with. And do you know what, if I can make key rings that are worth, I don't know, £5 each or something like that, and I can get 4 that sell, it's paid for the kit. So in my mind, they're worth having a look at. Do I think you'll get the best products in these kits? Probably not, if I'm being honest. And that's where it's important when you get into resin, you realize that you do pay for what you get a lot of the time, especially when it comes to resins. A lot of beginners, when they start out with resin, they start off with a kit like this, have problems with these types of resins that are really, I would say, poorer quality than a lot of the resins on the market, and wonder why they're having problems. And that's probably the reason why. But I would still recommend buying one of these kits if you're new to the hobby, just for the amount of stuff that you get with it. And that's not including the epoxy. Buy yourself some quality epoxy from a quality supplier with great reviews, rather than just hoping that the epoxy that you get is going to work in these projects. But still buy these kits, you know, for $18 or £18. They are well worth it just for the accessories. And once you've got these accessories, you can use them time and time again with a quality resin. And for £18 or $18, I can probably make, I would guesstimate, looking at the amount of things here, at least 25, 30 key rings. And as I say, for $18 or £18, well worth it. And these little things, if you go into a hobby shop or something like that, for these little plastic pieces that are all different shapes and sizes, that could cost you £20 on its own. So for £18, I think they're worth it. And just use the cheaper epoxy, but use it in projects where you're not that fussed about the quality of the finish, or that you're adding an awful lot of let's say black mica powder to chameleon powders and things like that, so the quality doesn't really matter as much. But in my mind, for beginners, they are great, they're well worth buying, and I don't think you'll get better value for these sorts of things that you can use in your bigger projects as well as the small ones. So there you go. If you've enjoyed the content, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. It does make such a big difference, and join us in the next one.